So sometimes when you're working with Premiere Pro, you'll find that you can't really import audio from your clips. For example, I've got a clip up here which shows my laptop's internal cooling system. But if I bring this clip down here to the timeline, you can see that the audio file isn't coming with it. So why is that happening? Let me try and drag this back down again. And once again, I do not get the audio file. And the main reason this is happening is because you're choosing the wrong track markers. So on your Premiere Pro timeline, this will look something like this. So make sure that V1, so source patching for inserts and overrides, is enabled for both audio and video. As soon as both V1 and A1 are selected, you can just drag and drop your clip and it will show up with audio, whatever little audio the clip has. Point is, the Premiere will now finally read it. This works the other way as well. So if V1 is off, you will be able to only import audio of a clip and not the video. So make sure that you're enabling both audio and video in here. Now, another reason why you might not be able to import the audio on your Premiere project is because you're using an unsupported audio codec. So if you're using, let's say, an MKV file, chances are that it's not supporting the audio codecs that Premiere needs. So in which case you're going to have to install the codec, or you're going to have to work with something else that makes sure that you can run the video. So for example, converting MK4s to MP4s, or M4Vs to MP4s, and so on and so forth. But once you're done with that, you should be able to insert audio or import audio with your video clips without any problems. Just make sure that V1 and A1 are checked on your timeline. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and if these videos don't work out as well for you, do consider getting a membership. That's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video.